friends, Katie with you today. As you can see, I'm dressed up in my tinsel, getting ready for another Christmas demonstration on one of this year's Hot Top Toys. So today we've got Razor. He's one of the Untamed fingerling dinosaurs. He reacts to motion, touch and sound. There's about 40 different sounds that he'll do in interactions. So what I'm going to do just now is take him out of the box and set him all up. Okay, so we've just unboxed Razor. As you can see, you get quite a few instructions in different languages, also included is the English language. The box itself can be quite tricky to get Razor out of, so parents might need to give children a wee helping hand, but that's perfectly fine. I'll just move this all aside. So, here is Razor. Razor is very ferocious. His teeth are not sharp even though they look sharp. He's got sharp nails, again not sharp, very sturdy, not going to break very easily. And as you can see, purple and green is his style of choice. So I'm going to zoom in so you can have a really close look at Razor just before we get him started. So as you can see, we've now zoomed in so you can have a really good close look. There's his pointy nails, as you can see, all different lengths and sizes. His green and purple pattern, his very strong little movable tail, and his little movable hands. So I'm going to show you just how to quickly turn on Razor. It does require batteries, but you do get a set free first. However, Christmas morning, don't be cut short, get yourself some batteries just in case. Okay, so turning him round to the back, you'll see a little switch. Simply pop him on. Oh, doing a little dance. There goes Razor already. At the moment, I think he's on tamed mode. You can keep him on tamed mode by simply stroking his head. You can do this 2 or 3 times. And to put him on Untamed mode, you can do as many features as tap on the nose 3 times, hang him upside down. However, Razor really doesn't like that. He does like quite a squeal. So I'll tap him on the nose 3 times. I believe that's the start of being untamed. And also you can clap. And I think that's Razor singing us a little song. Next up, you can also push down the front and back loop. Razor's having his own little moment. You can push down there for a whole different sound and reaction. And you can also hang him upside down, blow in his face and cradle him to sleep. I'm just going to now pick him up to show you a few of the other features. Okay, so here's Razor back in full force. As with all the fingerlings, you can securely place them on your finger just like this. As I said before, he is sturdy, he won't fall off, it's quite movable, so don't worry about him flying off if the children are playing with him because he really is quite sturdy. So next up, I'm going to tip him upside down and see just exactly how much Razor dislikes it. I believe that's not too happy about this. Bring him back up. As you can hear, Razor's doing quite a few different interactions and sounds. You can also cradle Razor to sleep, so when it's time for the children to put him away, it's time for bedtime, just simply lift him up, place him into your hands and cradle to sleep. As you can hear, Razor is sound asleep. Because I've woke Razor back up again, he is making some odd sounds and some ferocious sounds. Yes, just like that. So I'm going to turn him off just with the switch at the back, if he would stop moving his head. As I've mentioned, there's 40 different sound effects to keep the kids entertained, especially on Christmas morning or the run up to Christmas. It's not too expensive either, he's around about £20, so a great stocking filler, a great Secret Santa gift for a young kid at school, or perhaps just even for under the Christmas tree. There's a whole collection of fingerlings, there's unicorns, there's more dinosaurs, and again, as I've said before, top toy if you do follow the top toys. But regardless, good fun, good interaction, and a great Christmas present. So that's everything from me and of course Razor. Thanks all of our festive friends for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up for Christmas and for all the reviews, and we're going to keep coming back with lots more. Bye!